going to talk about the order cost. So we'll go to the item list, click Add. Under the More Information section, the order cost is listed in this area. It's different than the average unit cost. The order cost is an item's cost you are currently paying your vendor for 1 unit of the item. Over time, with cost increases, it is normal for your order costs to move higher than your average unit cost, as you may have some quantity left in stock that was purchased at a lower cost when the new shipments are received. When you make a purchase order, the order cost in inventory is suggested as the purchase order cost. You can edit this cost on the PO if necessary. When you receive the ordered items, the voucher that references the PO will automatically take its cost from the PO. When a voucher with the changed cost is saved, it will automatically update the order cost field in inventory so that the new order cost is suggested on the next PO or voucher made for the item. Point of sale also calculates the new average unit cost for you in this situation. Hopefully this helps you understand the difference between the order cost and the average unit cost.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make another video about point of sale. Thank you, everybody.